yourself some dreams. Something to fill the empty void we call sleep. Fresh from yours truly, and of course my beautiful other half over here.
Oh, stop it, you. Though he is right, I am indeed very beautiful.
Aha! What can I do for you, my horizontally superior friend?
Yes, my daughter requires dreams. Susan, tell him what you wish to dream of.
I require dreams of flowers.
Okay. Well, lucky for you, flowers are Pleake's specialty. Would you do the honors, darling?
Certainly, darling.
Oh yes, this is most pleasing. Thank you, Father. I love you.
Get yourself some dreams, folks. Fresh dreams, hot off the press.
Hello.
Heck, you look exhausted.
Yes, I've been sleeping rough. Could I get a dream about cats?
Oh, for sure. One cat dream coming up.
Give me your teeth!
Oh my god!
Sorry about our friend Puppet, sir. He's a tad terrible.
But I...
That'll do, Puppet. Go play with some sticks or something, dear.
Now, my little friend, it's not that bad. You're just special in your own little way.
Yeah.
So what if everyone thinks you're terrible?
Yeah. Wait, what?
And so what if you'll never be as good as Trapunto and Pleake and everyone will always take you and...
What is your point?
Well, oh dear.
Oh, come on, Puppet. It's no use. Oh, hey there. You want me to make you a dream? Oh, well, okay. Oh, jeez. What a weird child.